Spotify has a new feature called Weekly Roundup that shows your top artists and songs each week, like a mini Spotify Wrapped. Today, I'll show you how to find your weekly listening stats. First, you need to go ahead and open your Spotify application on your mobile device, then tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. From this page, you need to tap on listening stats, that is between what's new and recent. In the listening stats, this page displays your top artist and song for all week. This page displays your top artist and song for the week. Scroll down to see data from the previous weeks as well, and tap on top artist to view your top 5 artists and top song to view your top 5 songs. Spotify might highlight specific artists or songs you listened to a lot. For example, it might say 74% of your music listening from certain date. Like in my case, it's December 1st to December 7th, 2025. These stats are a fun way to track your favorite music each week and a preview of what might be in your year end of Spotify Wrapped. So that's how you see your Spotify weekly listening stats. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.